Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. So I'm trying another experiment on these wooden round coaster blanks that I got from Amazon. And I gessoed them, sanded them with 400 grit sandpaper, and then I covered them in a coat of the Crayon UV archival spray. And I'm using Stone Coat Countertop resin. I have the DecoArt Satin Enamel White and the Folk Art Maroon. And this is some more team color coasters. So all I'm going to do is just randomly spread the white and the maroon on there and see how this works out with these coasters here. I think the gesso has coated them well enough that I won't have to worry about the wood and bubbles and all that. So just randomly pouring the white on here now, and then we'll come back in and fill up the gaps with the maroon. Some of them don't have as much white on them as the others, so I'm going to just kind of fill up a little bit more. And then instead of trying to pour the maroon on here, just going to use my stir stick and just stream it in to the blank areas on the coaster. I'm going to speed the video up just a little bit. And while I'm doing this, I do want to say thank you to Johnny Ferrero. This will be my 100th video for the YT 100 challenge. So this is the final video for that particular challenge, and it has been a great experience. So I want to thank him. He was the one that challenged us to do this, and it has been a great positive experience for me, and I appreciate it. Appreciate all of the viewers and subscribers that has come on board while I've been involved in this, and I will continue to put out videos. It's going to be just the same as ever. I just won't be doing Y2 or YT 100 challenge, but right now I'm just taking my finger on the coasters and trying to pull the color out to the edge, tilt them a little bit, and going around the edges as well to get color on that. Tilt, let it run over a little bit, and then it's on the edge of my finger, and I can just let it go over a little, touch up anywhere I see that the resin hasn't covered. And I think they're looking really nice. The white might take over a little bit, and I still have a little bit of the maroon in my cup. If it does, I will add a little bit more as they start to cure, just to be sure that I have good representation of both colors on the coaster. One more to stretch. Touch up the edges. Once these are all cured, I will come back in with the round coaster backs and add that to them, and they will be ready to go to their new home. Just touching up a little bit with the little bit of the maroon that I have left, Gonna torch them, make sure I have no bubbles in there. And then use my heat gun just to move it around a little bit to maybe spread the maroon color out. Not too much, just a bit. And then these are ready to just go into the dust-free zone and cure. So I want to thank you for joining me on this experiment with these wooden coasters. I think they worked well. So if you would like to give them a try, I'll put the link to the Amazon for the coasters in the description box below. If you like this video, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe and ring that bell. You'll get notified when I upload future videos. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.